This is our new rolling platform. It comes with 6-inch casters and scissor jacks on all 4 corners. Allows us to wheel it in place and then level the platform off when it's in use. As you can see, it's extremely easy to roll back and forth. Can be done with one hand. Just like that. Once you have it in place, you can either use the hand crank, or we've modified a bit that fits into a drill, making it much easier to adjust. Adjust one jack at a time. As you can see, we've also added levels to make the process even easier. Work your way around. Making sure that you're level at every point. Platform is level and secure, and we are ready to install the stairs. Now that the platform is level, we can install our stairs. Come to the left-hand side and slide your stairs in to the connector, making sure it's nice and flush. Come over to the other side, slide your stairs in, leaving a small gap so that your connector can then slide in nice and easy. You can either use a wrench or a 17 mil socket. Make sure not to over tighten. If you're ready to remove it, lightly loosen the bolt just so it's finger tight, like so. You can push down a little bit and it slides the mechanism over, and you're ready to remove your stairs.